Dude, you drink this whole bottle of cough syrup?
Yeah, dude, I'm not feeling too good today.
This shit's gonna make you trip, man.
No, I'll be fine.
Well, I gotta take off. You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
See you later.
Yeah. What the heck?
What are you looking at?
Man, I think I need something to drink.
Dude, you're tripping. You should probably sit down.
No, I need something to drink. Where's my drink at?
I'm right over here, buddy.
Thanks, little dude. I was so thirsty. What the heck? What are you looking at? I don't even like you anyways. What?
Hey, idiot. Why don't you lay down and take a nap?
Okay. What happened?
Go back to sleep, stupid.